Hi, hello and welcome to my channel. If you are new here, hi, my name is Veronica and I'm a big lover of makeup, so if you want to see more reviews, looks and more fun videos, don't forget to subscribe. In today's video we are filming the August project pen update, so if you are curious about that, please keep on watching. Okay, so I am back from vacations and stuff like that and I am ready to film. So this weekend is all about filming and I am starting with the project pen and I am excited because I did finish some products. First of all, I want to mention that if you are curious about this look, I didn't film it, but I will list in the description box everything that I have on my face and as well all of these products and shades. So let's start with the Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Filter, Hollywood Flawless Filter, and I will put a short video with the close-up for some of these products. And I really like this one, and recently I purchased the Rare Beauty blush, the liquid one, and I love to put 1 or 2 dots of that and then 2, 3, 4 dots of this one and just blend it out and it looks like a glowy blush. It's so beautiful. So I've been using this one for that, but I really like to mix this one with foundations as well. It's a really nice product. It is a mini, as you can see, and I am pretty consistent with the usage, and yeah, so I really enjoy this product in my project pen. Let's talk about foundation next, and I have this one in my project pen. This is the Charlotte Tilbury Beautiful Skin and I have the shade number 2. As you can see, this is done or almost done. Maybe I could get 4 or 5 more uses out of this one, but like I said in July, this month will be the last one for this foundation, so it is done. I am very happy and it's a pretty old foundation, and I'm gonna put another foundation in the project pen that is pretty old as well, so I really want to finish some of my foundations and hopefully I'm not buying new foundations in the near future because I have way too many. And as well in the project pen we have the Lisa Eldridge foundation. This is a newer one in my collection. I think I bought it in January, February of this year, so a bit ago, but is not that old, and I put a number of uses for this one. The goal is 20 uses and July was the first month and I used it 4 times, so I do have 16 more uses left. This will remain in the project pen. I really like this foundation. It's a bit more on the matte side, but it looks really good and I do enjoy it, so this will stay in the project pen. And I have a foundation to replace the Charlotte Tilbury, and it's this one, and like I said, this is pretty old as well. This is the Catrice True Skin, and I kind of find these two a bit similar because this is a bit of a more mattifying foundation as well. It is like natural finish, but a bit on the more matte side. I have the shade number 4 Neutral Porcelain, and yeah, I put a line. I will put a video with the close-up. It's a really nice foundation and I will be very happy using it into the project pen. Let's talk about the lipstick next, because I say that I don't want the lipstick in my project pen, and then I have a bunch of products from Charlotte Tilbury in this project pen, so I decided to put the lipstick as well. This is in Pillow Talk and I have a goal of 20 uses for this one as well, and in the month of July I did use this one 9 times, which is pretty good. We are almost at the half point, so I will keep this one in the project pen. It is a beautiful lipstick, and yeah, I've been reaching for this one a bit and I really like it. Next is concealer, and the one in the project pen is the Catrice True Skin. I have this one in the shade 002 Natural Ivory, and this was a pretty good shade for me. I absolutely love this concealer, one of my favorites, and this concealer is actually done. I didn't expect that. As you can see, I don't have any product left and I love it. This one was with me in multiple vacations for a no foundation type of look. I used this one a million times as foundation, or at least around my blemishes and stuff like that. It's a great concealer and I am so surprised that I finished it so fast, but I'm happy that I did. And actually I will put this one in my project pen. Is my newest concealer in my collection, but I love it, so I really want to put it in the project pan. I am wearing it today. It looks absolutely stunning. I don't know if I'm gonna finish this product up because it is new, so it's a full product, but I'm gonna use it for 2-3 months and see where I'm at, and then I will see if I want to swap it out or not. But with this product, less is more. Don't use a lot of product because otherwise it will be a bit cakey, but if you use a pretty small amount, it looks absolutely stunning. I really like it. And yeah, so this is the concealer in the project pan. I'm kind of excited again to put a new product because I'm not usually doing that. Usually I'm putting older products that are about to expire in the project pan, so it's nice to put a new product in here as well. Next we have the powder, and I have the LYS one. This is very fingerprinty, and I did use this one a pretty good amount. It is a bit hard to show in the close-ups, but I have a pretty good dip going, so I am happy about that. This is a very beautiful powder. The more I use it, the more I fell in love with it because it's so thin. I really like it. It's a really nice powder, and I do recommend it. So I've been using it, but as you know, I am using loose powder, the Huda one, under the eyes. So this is just for blending the edges and setting my exterior of the face. Next we have bronzer, and I have in the project pan this one. This is one of my favorites. It's the Essence Sun Club Matte Bronzing Powder. I have the shade 1 Natural, and I really like this one because it's a lighter color. And recently I bought the Fenty one, and they are very similar in my opinion, but the difference is of course the price and the packaging. So the product itself is so amazing on this one, but the packaging is absolutely horrendous. So I like the Fenty one more because the formula is still creamy, the color is still very light, but the packaging is a million times better. That product again, it's a lot more expensive, but at least you get a really good packaging. But I did use it a bunch of times. I am setting always my cream bronzer with a powder one, so that is that. And I really did enjoy the combo of this one with the Revolution. I have it here, the Revolution cream bronzer. These two are amazing together, and I really love this one as well, so I've been using these two together. Next we have blush, and for blush I have the Melt Sundown is the shade, cream blush light from Melt. I already said that. And for this one I have a goal of 50 uses, and in June we did use it 20 times. July I used it only 12. I was away most of the month, so that's the reason, and I didn't bring this one with me, but it is a beautiful shimmery cream blush. I really enjoy it. So this one will stay in the project pan maybe for 1 month only, because I could see myself using it 18 more times to reach the 50 goals. So that is that, and I really like it. Next we have highlighter, and in here I have the Ofra Pillow Talk. It is in the Kaleidos packaging, and I did use this one 12 times in the month of July, and because in May I used it 20 times, in June I used it 19. This is done, so 50 was the goal, so I will swap it out. And the highlighter that I will replace it with is this one. This is the MAC Soft and Gentle is the shade, and it is the mineralized skin finish highlighter. I really like this one. It's so beautiful. It was a cult favorite at some point, or it is still. Beautiful highlighter. I'm gonna put the goal of 50 for this one as well, and I can't wait to use it. It is so beautiful, so I am sure that it will be a pleasure. Next we have lip gloss, and I'm gonna put a video with this one. I did use it a pretty good amount this month, and I will continue to use it. This has so much product in it, so it takes me way too much time to use it, but at least I'm using other glosses in my collection, because I have one in my purse. I have another one that I just removed the stopper from, it is the fat oil from NYX. So that is that, because this one was in my purse. I have another gloss at work. I have another one to prep my lips. So I'm using a bunch of glosses. So because of that, I'm not using this one all the time, but it's still a really beautiful one, and I will use it up, but it will take a bit longer, and that is totally okay. Lastly, we have the monthly bonus item, and in this category I am putting an item for only 1 month, because that is pretty fun. So last month I put the split liner from Glisten Cosmetics in the project pen, and it was a bit of a mistake, because again I was in vacation most of the month. So yeah, I'm using it today. It is what it is. So I used this one only once, and it's today. And technically today it's August already, so yeah, I'm gonna say that I used this one once. At least I used it. And for the month of August, I'm gonna put these shadows in there. I have 3 single shadows from Catrice, and I'm gonna put all 3 in the project pen. And if I get to use one of them only once, it is what it is, but that is what I'm doing. I have this shade that is a copper. It is the shade number 370. Then I have this blue shade that is so stunning. It's the number 400. And then this one was the first one that I purchased. It's so stunning. It's the number 410. It would be amazing if I use them each one once at least, but who knows. I'm gonna count them together and see how many times I'm using them. So that is all. I am happy that I finished 2 products this month, and next month I don't think I will be able to finish anything, but we will reach the goal on the blush, and for sure I will do a lot more progress on the other products. So yeah, if you like this video and you want to see more from me, please subscribe and give it a like, and I will see you next time.